everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique, and today I have an auction haul. This is a jewelry jar I got for $5. Oh yes, yes please. $5. It's got a really cool castle on it. So I know I'll make money on this tin alone, and we'll just see what's in here. Whatever's in here is all profit. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, looks like some old stuff. So I have no idea really what's in here, other than I seen this and it was $5 and nobody was bidding on it, so I had to buy it. So here's some really old pearls. This could have been a bracelet and needs an attachment. That's neat. Okay, I'm not sure what that is. That's gonna go in a craft jar. I need to make a craft jar and get that listed because I know I have stuff to get rid of. It'd be fun just to do like a craft lot of jewelry at auction. That would be kind of fun. I like to watch auctions. I wish auctions were like they used to be on eBay. Here is, oh, that's pretty nice actually. So here is a cross. Here's a cross. Oh, it's nice on the back too, and it actually has some heft to it. That's kind of neat. It looks like real silver, so I'll have to test that and see, although usually silver is marked. I don't see any marks. Necklace is also pretty hefty feeling, so I'm definitely going to check that out a little closer. Ooh, 80s. Here's some 80s gray beads. Those are always fun. Well, it looks like something maybe had bit them. There's a flaw in this one. I don't know. So that'll probably just go to a craft lot too. Gray graduated beads. Those I would say are probably, I would say this is probably around the 60s. Ooh, what else is in here? What else? Ooh, yes, I love religious pieces because they can usually be worth some money. Ooh, I wish I had my loop on me. It does say something. Okay, I think it might say Jessica or Jennifer. The other side is nice though. It is engraved, but it doesn't make any difference on the other side. I don't see any markings. Okay, so I'll definitely sell that. That's really nice. This one says Janie, so maybe that's what the other one said. This definitely looks like an older clasp. Looks like it's missing an end. So this is engraved. Interesting. Here is a broken necklace. This sure does look like gold, like dirty though, but this does look like gold. I'll definitely test that one too. Ooh, what's next? So this looks like it's like some beads from the 50s. It's marked on the back. It looks like Sarah Coventry to me, and it does have some really nice heft to them. These are actually glass beads. Wow, that's really nice. So this is a glass beaded necklace. Ooh, let's see what else is in here. We have a shell. Oh my goodness, this is heavy. Oh, that is super heavy. What is this? This is definitely some kind of metal. It's got a little bit of a broken piece there. Boy, I don't know what this is. This is like extremely heavy. Like, I don't think you would wear this. It is that heavy. How neat is that? I've never seen anything like that. That's odd. And it's so heavy. I can't imagine anybody wearing that. What in the world is that? Looks like almost like a bronze Or, I mean, it's not really like a brass, but maybe a bronze. Here's some shells. This is probably like the 50s era, I would assume. So this says Janie and Rex, 57. Too bad it's engraved. 57. So, and it kind of looks like everything is probably about that age. It's really dirty. That's cute though. I mean, that's kind of precious. Too bad it says something on it. It's engraved from the 50s, really pretty. It's really nice. It's like an anklet or a bracelet. Okay, so here we have another cross. Seed beads. And they feel like plastic, but I'm not quite sure. I would say this is acrylic. Here is just like a silver tone chain. I don't know if it's real silver or not. They look pretty nice. Some cheapies. 58. And this is Janie and Rex. I think it's R and J. Too bad it's not two J's for John and Jody. This might even be gold. And it looks like it might have been hooked onto something on the ends. Here is a token from 1947. It says the Clipper Company. Keep me for good luck. And then Precision Tools. So that's a token. That's interesting. Oh, this is funny. This says love your enemy. It'll drive him crazy. That is cute. Yeah, I'm kind of wondering if some of these pieces are gold. This is definitely more like a brass or some kind of metal composite. Oh, that's really neat. Here is the Lord's Prayer, and they're all on these bracelets. It's interesting. They actually, you know, they mean something probably to someone. Janie, 1954. This is inscribed. And none of this stuff said that it was broken either, so I guess it might be able to be fixed. But it's got cute little charms on it, like a Mother Hubbard shoe. There's like maybe a mom and a kid, and a mom and a dad maybe. I would say this is probably 50s. And then I'm going to also sell this cool tin. I sell tins really well. This is a Schmidt Tin, and I believe it's from Germany. Interesting. So I'll definitely get this stuff listed. I'll probably just list this all together as charms, and then, you know, say that it is on a chain, but it is broken. But it's kind of nice it's just keeping them together too. So somebody might be able to fix that. I'm not sure. I think it's missing one of those loopy things. This stuff will be listed soon on my eBay store. Except for like the cheapy stuff and the broken stuff. I'm definitely going to put those in a lot. You know, I was going to drop a lot of jewelry off at locally. I was not treated well there today. Something I had bought, she thought everything belonged in one big lot and gave it to someone else. She told my husband. She told me I don't have to look at your paper. I don't give a shit about it. And bleep, 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 and bleep, and a lot of bleeps. And I am not going to even look at your paper. And I don't really care. I have too much going on today. But it was a lot nastier than what I'm saying. Yeah, it wasn't good. I don't know if I want to continue to buy from them. I don't know. I've been buying from them for years, and it's where I get a lot of my eBay things. That lady was so nasty to me. You have no idea. It was bad. It was so bad. This is random too. This is actually glass. Too bad there wasn't two. But I think this, out of all the things, this is the strangest thing I've ever seen. And it is so heavy. Very odd. Like, why would you wear that? And I believe it's bronze. Is that a thing for a necklace? I don't know. Okay, everybody. I'll figure this one out. That's really weird. These are all just going to go into craft lots. I'm going to test some of this jewelry. Some of it seems like gold to me. This might be like a gold over silver, it looks like. I don't know. It's going to be hard to sell something with people's names on them. They're not as valuable because nobody wants to wear somebody else's name. But it is kind of cool too that this, did belong to somebody else. So I should really iron this. It's driving me nuts. Driving me nuts. Driving me nuts. Driving me nuts. Driving. Okay, everybody. Have an awesome day. I hope you enjoyed my little jewelry jar. That was fun. That's probably the funnest $5 ever. Have a good day, everybody. Bye. Oh, look how cute they are. Oh. They're losing all their winter fur.